Hello grade 5, lesson plan video for lesson number 3, and the theme of this lesson is internet safety and sort of safety settings, security settings, and staying safe while surfing the web. So here we'll go to brainpop.com, and once you get here you click, this will say login, you click login, and here are your logins. So username KIS brainpop, and your password is KISJeju. Log in and you'll come to this page. So we'll go down to Engineering and Tech. Click this tab and that'll bring you to here, and we're going to go to Computers and Internet. Click on this one. Scroll down and you get to Information Privacy. And we'll click on this one. So here is your information privacy video. So we can click on the video and I'll just mute it. And you can blow it up to full screen, show it to the class, and if you click CC, it gives you subtitles. So you can play those if the speaking is going a bit fast for the kids, play the subtitles and watch the whole video. It should take no more than 10 minutes or so. After the video, go ahead to quiz, and you'll do this all on your projector. You can click on quiz. And same thing, you can blow this to full screen and we'll look at graded quiz. Blow it up here on full screen. And then you can choose go through with the whole class and maybe just have them discuss and answer the questions after the video. What type of personal information is it okay to share with someone you don't know? You should never share any personal information. Okay, so you can take that quiz with everybody. Now we'll go back to information privacy, and if you look on the bottom, here are some activities. Okay, so if you want to print out this crossword, I would recommend doing the vocabulary, and this you can sort of do together or have this printed out for them. Go over all these vocabulary words before you do any of the other activities because they're sort of essential. You can look at the graphic organizer. This one you can type right in. So describe what can happen if scammers obtain each of the following types of information. So if they obtain your credit card, you could say buy things online. So you can type this right in with the whole class. Okay, so just something you can do for review. So you can sort of pick and choose what you want to do, what you want to print out, if you want to print any of these out. Like I said, I'd recommend the vocabulary for sure. Doing some of these activities. Now we're going to go through and I'll show you the tutorial we'll do right on the Mac that sort of coincides with privacy settings. So I'll close all these down, and we want to get our kids comfortable going to system preferences anytime they need to change anything on their computer. So to do that, you just click on the apple up here, go down to System Preferences. So kids should know to do this if they need to change any of their settings or anything on their computer. So open up System Preferences, and right now first we're going to look at Accounts. So bring them down to Accounts here, click on it, and this is sort of the ID of your computer. So right here it may have their name. If so, we can leave that. If it has the school's name, if it says like KIS Computer or something, you can have them change it to their name. And we're going to change their password. So you can go up to Change Password. Okay. You type in the old or the existing password, whatever it may be. It might be 4 ones or KISJeju or something. So they type in their old password. Then whatever they want to change their password to, type it in here and here. So type it in twice. and provide a hint. So you could say the name of my dog or whatever it is. Absolutely stress that they make their passwords simple and that it's something they won't forget. Okay, so we'll cancel that. This looks like you can upload a picture if you want to. A little tiger or a butterfly or a goldfish, maybe a robot. Okay, so I can edit picture. They can probably upload one of their own pictures or something. So this is something you guys can do. So here, it's a picture of me. So I'll fit it. And we'll set that. Okay, so there's a picture of myself on there, and it's my name and it's my password. So parental controls we won't really worry about. If you cannot adjust anything, it's probably locked on the bottom here. So we want to click this to open it, and you're going to have to type in that password that you changed it to. So it's your computer password. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. So that's the first thing, is setting your password and your sort of ID. Okay, so I'll go back to System Preferences. The next thing we're going to do is just set security setting if they want to. So this is if your computer falls asleep, do you want it to also lock? So it's sort of similar to like the iPhone, to punch in a password every time you want to wake it up from sleeping. I do not have it on, but maybe they want to. It can sort of be up to them. Again, if it's not working, you can click here, type in the computer password to change any of the settings. We're going to skip over File Vault, so do not do anything in File Vault and tell the students not to do anything in here. We'll go over to Firewall and make sure your firewall is on, and sort of explain to the students what a firewall is and that it's a setting that protects your computer from anything sort of wanting to affect it while you're online. So it's sort of like a force field that's put up for your computer, and make sure it's on. A lot of the students are not on, and they were sort of connecting to lots of different stuff. So make sure that's on. Okay, so between watching the Brain Pop video and doing some of the Brain Pop exercises and having talks about information privacy and computer safety, and then the tutorial through the System Preferences, remember, click on the Apple System Preferences, and we'll go through setting your account and doing those simple security settings. So that should be enough for the first lesson. Okay, so see you next time.